Connecting with the spirit of birds, anchoring the element of wind. Ahanoriya Shumthayana. I ask the spirit of birds, the element of wind, beautiful energy of this forest. Hashothariya Mashokathaya Shaterene Nayayo Yayo Mia Shumtere. Hinnorio Yamanariya Om Naralaraya Bumnanuniumia Shumtraya Naranaya Shumterene. Connecting with the spirit, the energy, Shamaya, Shamaya. Bringing forth the divine codes of freedom for 2025. I ask the spirit of 2025 to be the spirit of freedom. Freedom to be who I am, freedom to abundance, freedom to healthy, wealthy, abundant, prosperous relationships at all levels of my existence. Freedom to money, freedom to be who I am, freedom to relationships, freedom to my highest spiritual knowledge and truth. Hakosh koto yoraya maya shotayorea yomya naroyom nya naroyom. Bringing the soul songs, the song, soul song, bird soul song. Ha hoo Naroyumya Shumtraya Nayamya Shumtre Nayo Honya Honya Honya.